Hello, my name is Sahil Malik and welcome to my course Using Microsoft Azure Security Tools to Protect AI Solutions. As we move forward in time, more and more solutions will be automated through AI. Certainly, this has great potential to both help and hurt humanity. It all depends on how we manage and secure it. Security, therefore, is extremely important in AI projects because it's not just a matter of securing the AI solution itself. AI solutions can be used to hack other non-AI solutions, and the attack vectors are also very interesting. In this course, I explain the nature of attacks in AI-based projects. I then explain the various Azure facilities that Azure Machine Learning Service builds upon. I explain concepts such as role-based security in an Azure Machine Learning service. The roles manage identities play, securing your scoring endpoints, and so much more. While security is a pretty big topic, at the end of this course you will have a clear vision of the various vectors you need to protect in your AI projects and how the various facilities in Azure can help you do so. I hope you find this course useful and thank you very much for watching.